Hi dear students, welcome to business studies class. So in last video we are started our sixth chapter, that is the staffing. So in last video I explained about what introduction of staffing, otherwise you can call the definition, and importance of staffing. So in this video the content to be explained, that is human resource management. Staffing is a part of human resource management, and what are the nature of staffing as a part of human resource management. So before going for the definition of human resource management, so already all of you know management have main 5 functions, that is starting from planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. Okay, so already 2 functions we are completed, that is the planning and organizing, and after that that is the third function of management, that is the staffing. Okay, so in last video I explained about what is the staffing. So staffing is a picking a right person for a right job. So before introducing of this HRM, that is a human resource management, it is now one separate department. But before that, why this department is developed, just we have to see the history of HRM. So staffing is a function of picking a right person for a right job. So before introducing of HRM, it is limited up to that thing. Means what? If employees is going to recruit for the organization, but what are the problem of that employees, it is not going to solve by the, it is not going to take care by the any manager. Okay, so means that is only one way travel was there. Means what? If manager is told to something to employees should follow the blindly things. Okay, if any problem to employees, suppose he is not able to do that work, so that type of reasons are not valid at that time. So who are going to take care of that employees? It may be the personal, it may be the professional. Suppose any problem, otherwise he want to take a leave, who is going to take care of that? So before introducing of HRM, that staffing function, it is a limited only for the recruitment of employees. So after the recruitment of employees, no one going to take care of that employees. So it is only one way. Suppose they have any problem with their salary or wages, suppose they want any medical facility, they want any traveling facility, so such kind of problems of employees, no one going to take care. So that's why this HRM department is introduced. It is not only the staffing, it is one part of that HRM system. Means selection of employees, that is one part of that HRM system. But it is not only the limited to select the employees, all means it may be the recruitment, that is the selection, otherwise development of employees, utilization of that employees, compensation means what are the salary, otherwise motivation to that employees, giving a training to that employees, otherwise retirement facility, any allocations are given, that means medical facility may be there, insurance may be there. Such type of all over take care of employees, it is going to taken by this human resource management department, that is HR department. Okay, so that for that purpose this HR department is developed, and this function, it is a means all record of maybe the personal, maybe the professional, all record of that employees, it is going to with HRM system. So let's see what is the HRM. Okay, so the function of human resource management is to be provide a skilled human element to the enterprises. So therefore big enterprises create a separate department called HRD, that is a human resource department. So this department works under HR manager. So how you have the planning department, how you have the production department, quality department, so similarly to take care of employees by all point of view, this department is developed. Okay, so that is the HR department. So what is the definition of this HR department? So human resource management is the recruitment, selection, development, utilization, compensation and motivation of human resource of the organization. Means what are the function of this department? First they should give the recruitment, means what are the what kind of requirement of peoples they have for that organization. So giving a recruitment, that is one function of this HR department. Second, selection means taking a interview, selecting a right person for the right job. So that is one kind of work. Second, next one, development of that employees, means what? Giving a training. Suppose that employee is not able to do that work, so which kind of training that employee is required, so such kind of training it is given by given by this HR department. Then utilization means what? there should be a maximum utilization of if one employee is recruit within the organization. So according to organization we should utilize that person maximum, otherwise there should not be any shortage of employees also, otherwise over of employees also should not be there. So proper utilization of human resource should be there. So that is the function of HR department. Then compensation means taking care of salary of that employees, otherwise given the insurance facility, otherwise other allocations, maybe a traveling facility, otherwise hostel facility, such type of compensation. That is the function of HR department. And motivation means in terms of training mostly, otherwise it may be a financial, otherwise it may be the non-financial. There are different type of motivation we will see, that is in training, otherwise development process. Okay, so all these function of human resource management means overall take care of that employees, how many employees we are recruited, so overall take care of that employees. That is the function of HR department. I hope you got the thing. So next is staffing as a part of human resource management. So staffing it is a different, and HR department it is a different. Staffing means only the selection of employees for right job, means right selecting a right people for the right job. So that is one kind of work of HR department. So HR department they have more than that work. Okay, so staffing as a part of human resource management, the scope of human resource management is wider than the staffing. So just I told staffing it is only the selection of employees. So what are the compensation, giving a training, otherwise keeping a record of that employees, these all are function of human resource management. Within that one work is, that is the staffing. So human resource management it have the wider scope that than staffing. So it involves staffing, keeping a personal records, providing expert services and other works. It facilitates the procurement and placement of right people on the right job. So HR staffing it includes the keeping a records, means it involves the staffing, keeping a personal record of each employee and providing the expert service. Suppose they want any extra training or motivation, so like that you should give the expert service and other works. So it facilitates the procurement and placement of right people on the right job. So last content, that is the nature of staffing as a part of HRM. So how it should be, means staffing how should be according to the HRM. So staffing is a people centered and is relevant in all type of organization, relevant and with all categories of personnel from top to bottom. So it is not the meaning staffing means only the recruitment of employees. It is not like that. It can they can means it is not limited up to the lower level of management, otherwise lower category, lower subordinate. So it is a wider scope, means what, they should keep the record of top level management also, middle level management also, and lower level management also. Means they should take care of all employees who are working within that organization. But if they have the different levels of management also, they should keep the record of all level of management. Means it is not limited only for the bottom level. So it is all, means top, middle and lower level. So they should keep the record of all levels of management. So next is, it is the duty of every manager to perform the staffing activities in many enterprises. So personal department is established to provide the assistance to manager in performing their staffing function. So nowadays it become the essential thing. If one employee is working in our organization, means what, we should keep all the record, professional, personal, we should keep the all record of that employees. So it become a necessary, and that is the function of manager. So that's why this HRM department made separately, and that department is doing this work. Okay, so personal department is established to provide the assistant to manager in performing their staffing function. So last one, that is the staffing function is concerned with, means it is related with the training, development and performance appraisal of human resources. So it is already I told, it is not limited only for the selection of employees. Suppose that employees want any training, so it given by this HR department. So that is the training and development. Next, performance appraisal of human resource So performance appraisal of human resource means what, suppose that employee did any good work for the organization, so keeping record of that good work, it is a work of that HR department. Otherwise, for the increment purpose, suppose in organization how it is going to be, suppose one employee is recruit at this year and he completed successfully 1 year within that organization. So that time they should submit the performance appraisal. Means what, within 1 year of period within that organization, what kind of work that employees did within that organization. So keeping that record, that is the work of HR department. He did a well performance for the organization, so obviously that is a proceed for the increment, otherwise promotion, otherwise transfer. So that is all function of HR department. So I hope you got the thing. So it is a very short concept, but sometimes for 2 marks question this concept is going to be asked. So I hope you got the thing. Suppose if you have any doubt, please comment below. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.